TikTok is one of the most popular apps right now with over 2 billion downloads, but it's under a microscope right now after warnings surfaced that the owners have private access to users' information, which is incredibly dangerous. The app has already been banned in India, and after the anonymous hacker group released new information, President Donald Trump wants to ban it in the US as well. This is crazy. Honestly, this is nuts. I have all the details on the full story right now on I.O. Speaking of I.O., this is InformOverload. We bring you guys the biggest news stories on the internet and we try to make it fun. Find us on social media, all of our links are down below, and subscribe to never miss another video. You can also check out our new comedy channel called Top 10 Central. That is also linked down below for you guys. We check out some of the funniest videos, pictures, memes, basically everything funny on the internet. So if you're looking for a laugh, come find us over there. But in the meantime, let's do a deep dive on these really scary TikTok claims. Not gonna lie, I did not post a TikTok yesterday after I scripted this because I got all nervous. TikTok was dominating the Indian market until it recently hit a roadblock after the Indian government banned TikTok and other known Chinese apps. The app lost a lot with this move because India has been the biggest downloading force, generating close to 660 million installs since 2017. All of this came after information was shared online about the app being dangerous for the users. The information claimed that these Chinese-owned apps were stealing and transmitting data in an unauthorized manner to servers which have locations outside of India. India's Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology said in a statement, "The compilation of these data, its mining and profiling by elements hostile to national security and defense of India. It's a matter of very deep and immediate concern which requires emergency measures." The ban actually ended up causing a very violent border conflict, and India lost some of their own military troops because of it. Because of TikTok. So if you guys thought that this wasn't serious, like, surprise, it very much is. I remember when I first started seeing these claims, I was like, oh, whatever, like, who cares? Y'all, this is like on another level. Ever since their ban, other countries are becoming concerned and debating on whether or not they should ban it as well. New information has caused President Donald Trump to want the app banned in the United States. A beta version of Apple's iOS 14 caught the app secretly accessing users' clipboards, and now an unusual activist group is campaigning against the app. The hacker activist group called Anonymous sent out a tweet that said, "Delete TikTok now. If you know someone that is using it, explain to them it is essentially malware operated by the Chinese government running a massive spying operation." Their tweet came after a tech user on Reddit reverse engineered the app and found all the data that the apps collect from the user. Turns out it's actually a lot worse than just stealing what is on our clipboard. The Reddit user shared what was found in a lengthy post. Some of the data collection he uncovered was phone hardware, other apps including their analytic payload information, your IP address, router MAC, your Mac computer, and even your Wi-Fi access point name, which is obviously like your location. These are just a few things among the very long detailed list. The user said the scariest part of it is that the app is constantly changing its configuring so that you can't reverse or debug the app that easily. One thing they wanted to point out is that the TikTok company wasn't using HTTPS for a while, and they leaked users' email addresses in their HTTP reset API, as well as users' secondary emails used for password resets. This also includes birthdays, real names, and password hints as well. The Reddit user revealed they also did a reverse on the Instagram app, Facebook, Reddit, and Twitter, and those apps do not collect nearly the same amount as TikTok does. Honestly, it's just very important to realize that this app has no reason to be collecting this type of data. Like, they don't need it. They think that China is using the platform to get the upper hand on manipulating large groups of society across other countries. They think they are harvesting data, especially on children and teens, to monitor their market reach and political development, to kind of find best methods to coerce them within the next 5 to 10 years. After these serious claims, President Trump is considering getting rid of the app altogether in the United States. His Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said they have been looking at unauthorized surveillance through the phone app and fear that their private information could be in the hands of the Chinese Communist Party. Pompeo released a statement saying, "We are taking this very seriously and we are certainly looking at it. We have worked on this very issue for a long time. Whether it's the problem of having Huawei technology in our infrastructure, we've gone all over the world and we are making real progress getting that out. We have declared ZTE a danger to American national security. With respect to Chinese apps on people's cell phones, I can assure you the United States will get this one right too." So basically it sounds like they actually might be banning the app as well in the US. TikTok also just announced that it was pulling the app from Hong Kong app stores as well. Things just are not looking good for TikTok fans right now, but to me, if it's safer for the country, then I guess that is what best. I am a huge TikTok fan personally, like I really enjoy the app, so I'm just interested to see what happens over here in Canada. There are some people who are saying that the sources of all of this research found are not credible, and they are actually fighting against the idea of banning the app. What do you guys think? Should the app be banned? Should we be concerned? Do you think this is credible? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the information. But for now, I'm gonna respond to some comments from Kylie responds to Kim Corset Backlash. Andrea Smith says, "It's true, my little sis will flip me off and then sass anyone who hints at disrespecting me." So true, it's just sisters, man. Like, my sister will punch me in the face and then punch someone who punches me in the face. It's just sisters. Extra Jazzy says, "I didn't think anything of Kylie's post until now." See? You probably just thought she was shooting the middle finger at nobody, but I spilled the tea. Camille Chandler says, "I just want to know if Kim did in fact have a set of ribs removed." Is this a thing? Is this a fact on the internet? I've never heard this in my life. And I've watched Keeping Up with the Kardashians. I don't think that's true. That's weird. Tab D Diamond says, "It would be cool to get a shout out." Does that make me cool because I chose your comment and gave it a shout out? I think so. Alright guys, that is all I have for you. Make sure you guys check out our new channel called Top 10 Central. It is linked for you down below, and come say hi to us on social media. You'll find the links down there as well. I'm your host Joss Bedard. I will see you next time. Itchy. I want to always look like the tan goddess. Not this lighting. Alright, I can do this. I'm gonna blow your mind, Chris. You probably already know the story.
I don't, but already.
You don't?
Nope.
Oh, here we go. For real. Caught the app secretly accept.